In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your location in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Location Guard extension and click on Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation by clicking on Add extension. After installation, click the Location Guard extension icon next to the address bar. Click on Options and go to the Fixed Location section. Zoom out the map and drag the marker to your desired location. And when you're done, click on Set this location and close the options. Ensure Use Fixed Location is enabled in Location Guard options and make sure the Pause option is unchecked. Close the Options tab and open a new tab and search for What's my current location in Google and check that your location now shows as the one you used on the Location Guard options extension. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.